Hey, I'm Janie Jarrett, your Norwex Independent Consultant, and I'm here to talk to you about this little marriage made in heaven. This is my Norwex SpiriSponge. It's got a metallic outer scrubby part, and there's a sponge in the middle. I've already got this one wet because I like to use it wet with my cleaning paste. So I'm going to take my Norwex cleaning paste and my SpiriSponge, and this is my favorite combination for cleaning my glass top stove. I also use it on like the back of pans or anything that's really tough to get clean. So I take the wet sponge, I get some cleaning paste on it, and it gets all those little places where pots have boiled over or you've got some stuck on mess. And this SpiriSponge just makes it super easy, and it never scratches my stovetop. It doesn't scratch when you use it in the shower, on shower doors, or anything like that. After I've done my scrubbing, I take my kitchen cloth and wipe it all clean. And if I have company coming and I want to show off, I'm going to go back and dry it with my dish towel or a window cloth so that it sparkles and shines and looks like a brand new stove. Thanks for watching.